If your radio is starting to sound like somebody else, maybe it's because you've used AI in the wrong way. Today, we are going to fix that and see how to use AI to sound more like you and less like a robot. Welcome to The Art of Broadcasting. In this episode, we are talking about how to work with AI without losing your tone, your rhythm, and your voice. Because the truth is, AI can be a huge help, but if you're not careful, it can also make you sound flat and synthetic. And your listeners tune in for you and not for a robot. AI can be incredibly helpful. It can give you drafts, summaries, even a bit of structure. But it doesn't know you. It doesn't know your stories, your way of landing a joke, or how you hold a pause just long enough to make a moment breathe. You know that feeling when you're really connecting with someone on the other side of the mic? That doesn't come from a script or from some algorithm. It comes from how present you are, the way you speak, the way you listen, the intention behind your words. AI can assist, sure, but the soul of it, that's all you. Don't let the tool do the talking for you. You're the one behind the message. Keep your hands on the wheel. Let's be fair. AI can be amazing in the right places. It can help you shape your rundown, clean up your drafts, even come up with new ways of saying something you've said 100 times. You're tired, it's not. You're stuck, it's full of ideas. But here's the trick. You don't stop being the editor. You don't stop being the voice. AI can help you get started, but still it's up to you to feel the beat of the sentence, to know when to pause, when the silence comes in, when to smile with your voice. It's not something it can fake. It's the part that only you can bring to the mic. If you want to feel the difference for yourself, here's a quick test. Pick a topic, something that means something to you. A memory, a moment, or a song. Now ask AI to write a short radio script with casual tone, natural flow, just a few lines that actually sounds like you, without overthinking. Then read it, not in your head, but aloud with your voice. Say it like you're live, right now. This will instantly let you see which parts are okay and which ones are not. When it sounds like something you've actually said on the air, that's the good one. Here's something else that works great over time. You can actually train AI to speak more like you. Just take a few scripts or text you've written, stuff that really sounds like you, and give them to the AI. Then say, this is how I write. Learn the tone, keep it conversational, personal, human. Use this as a blueprint for my next scripts. Anything else you'll ask to the AI from now on will sound a lot more like you, and not like a stranger that is talking through your voice. So to wrap it up, don't be afraid to use AI. Just don't blindly replace your voice with the first auto-generated stuff that you get from ChatGPT. It's a tool, a great one. But you're the voice, and this is what really matters to your listeners. If you want more practical tips and real-world tools, check the full article below. It covers 25 ways to use AI in your station, without losing your soul, your voice, and your personality in the process. And hey, if you're ready to build your radio station into something truly professional, take a look at ProRadio, the WordPress theme made just for broadcasters. With a non-stop music player, show schedules, presenters, profiles, podcast pages, and more. It gives you everything you need to sound and look like a pro. We've seen thousands of radio starting as hobby and converting into established stations over the years. And ProRadio was crafted on the real-life experience of our customers. Check the link below to get your exclusive discount and start building your station right away. Thank you for watching and see you next week on ProRadio.